From this equation, find out the value of x. How? First, this we multiply this here, so we can write the x. This is the x minus 9. So this is the half. Multiply this and this into this. So there is the half into half. So there is the 1. So x minus 9. This is the 1. And this is the 36. And now this x, the x minus 9, and this is the half right there, and there this term is here. So the 36 plus 9 minus x there. So this is, we can write the 45 minus, this is 45. And now again the root of both of side. Now square. So you can write this x, this is the half, and this, so cut this. So there is the x minus 9, this part, and this part we can write the a minus b whole square formula. So the 45, this square, and there is the 245 into x, and this is the x square. We can write this. And now this is the x square, and this is the 9x, and this term is the 2005, and this is the 90x, and this is the x square. And now this and this cut. So we can write this is the minus 9x, and this is the plus the 90x, this is here, and this is the 5. So this is cut, the 81x, and this is the, so we can write the x value. This x value is 5 by 81. So this is cut here. There's a, so we write the x value is this.